Do you consider yourself to be an empath or a highly sensitive person? Or maybe you would just like to feel like you have more command over your energy body. What do I mean by that? That's a good question. I'm going to tell you. So if you're a highly sensitive person, or you're someone who would really just like to feel like you have more agency over your energy system, you might be experiencing things like feeling emotionally fatigued, or maybe you have a hard time going into crowded rooms or crowded places. Maybe today's world is just feeling a little more chaotic than what your system can handle. I mean, sure, mentally, maybe you feel like you can handle it, but perhaps you're just feeling generally more drained and exhausted, or maybe you're feeling dread. These are all symptoms that many of us empaths or highly sensitive people are experiencing as we embark into this new earth or this new world journey that we're in. So I have good news for you. I have an event. I am Sita PK, and I have an event that I am doing with the Soul of Yoga that is specifically geared to help empaths and highly sensitive people navigate through this new terrain that we can easily call at this point the new earth. We're going to be using what we call the 10 bodies, which is a Kundalini yoga technology that's been around for a very long time. And although you could Google Kundalini Yoga 10 bodies right now and find little snippets of information, and you could certainly get a lot of kriyas or yoga practices that would help you work with your 10 bodies, you're not going to get what we are going over in this 2-day event, July 24th and 25th, starting at 9:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time and ending at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. What we'll be doing is focusing on being in the experience of what your 10 bodies are. So we have the soul body. We've got 3 levels of the mental body. We're going to work with your aura. We're going to work with your subtle body. So we always say with the 10 bodies that we're only 10% physical. We're 30% mental, and we are 60% energy, mind, body, spirit. But if you notice that 60% is more of that soul energy, your energetic force. We're going to dive into all of these aspects of you and give you an experience of what it is like to feel them balanced and strong. Many of us are familiar what it's like when they're not all working together and not all strong. We just haven't had the language until now. So if you would like to step into your role as an empath and feel more empowered, if you would like to be someone who feels like you can go anywhere in the world and not feel drained, if you're a counselor or if you want to be some kind of counselor or someone in the healing arts, but you're concerned that you're going to feel drained if you work with people, this is an event for you. So you can really step into your truest gifts. You can empower yourself into this new earth energy and feeling like you have this natural protection around you, because that's really what it is. It's going beyond grounding. It's going beyond our yoga practices. We're going to focus on taking you into the experience of you being in control and in command of your entire being. And if you can't make it live or can't make it to the whole thing, not to worry. This event will be recorded, and you will be able to have access to it for as long as you would like. There will be 1 hour of yoga practice. It's an all-level yoga practice. And after that, we'll have sound healing. You'll learn what your specific numbers are of your 10 bodies that you've come to work with in a very rich way. That's a unique part of the process, and you'll get access to understanding yourself at this level. And then we will be in the experience of you being in your subtle body, you being in your pranic body. You'll be in playing with your auric field and learning about your arc line and why that's important in your overall success in life. So if this sounds interesting to you, and I hope that it does, I would love it if you would join me on July 24th and July 25th in this virtual experience in partnership with the Soul of Yoga. So please check out the link and register today. And please email if you have any questions by going to Sita, S-I-T-A, at livewiththelightson.com. I am Sita PK, and I look forward to seeing you. Thanks.